Well, I got the life for you. Come on into Bud Hopkins School of Truck Driving, where you can learn the finer points to life. So come on in, and Bud'll set you up.
Hi! I'm Bud Hopkins from the Bud Hopkins School of Truck Driving. And I can help you become a truck driver just like me. It's a good job, and it's got some benefits going now. I know that I have probably forgotten more about truck driving than you'll ever know. But you come on down and I'll teach you. Everybody likes a truck driver. I brought you to this everyday average household to demonstrate my last point.
Who is it?
It's a truck driver. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. For every new member that joins a truck driving school gets a whole can of Skull. So come on down. Now I'll introduce you to some of the boys who's graduated from the truck driving school of Bud Hopkins. This is Ray. What do you say?
How you doing, goddamn? I was Bud Hopkins School of Truck Driving 2 years ago. Goddamn, I ain't seen fucking since. You know what a fucking lot lizards I've had since then?
Yeah. If you still haven't decided to sign up for the school, you can come on down and watch me teach the students a little something about truck driving.
God damn!
Now, students, let me explain to you that this here is the back of the truck. Now, it drives on 18 wheels. That's why they call it the big rig. Yes, sir.
Where's the front of the truck?
Oh, you goddamn. Ah! I don't have none of that on any one of you, because I don't handle stupid questions around here. Now, if you'll notice, the truck drives on 18 wheels. That's how it is. See, I probably have forgotten more about truck driving than you will ever know. That's the way it is. It's right here. And furthermore, when you're driving the truck, now you gotta stay awake. That's the big key now. You might want to be taking some mini-dates or some kind of shit, but you just don't want to know. Hey, it's like this. You drink lots of coffee when you're driving on the road. Are y'all with me?
Lots of coffee.
Now, the coffee is one of the best things that a truck driver has to offer because it keeps you awake. It kind of goes like that. And there's something about driving the truck. There's something driving the truck. It's right here. Now, you all kind of suck because you ain't even drove no trucks like I drove. You know what I'm saying? Well, goddamn. Here it goes. Now I'm telling you to come on down, cause you ain't got no future anyhow. Come on down, cause we'll treat you right. And watch out for the cracks in the road. See y'all later.